Ever wondered about the intricacies of Bitcoin mining? Well, it's quite the fascinating process. It's how new Bitcoins come into existence and how transactions get added to the public ledger, the blockchain. It's a vital cog in the wheel of the Bitcoin network's security and decentralization. First, you have to get a grip on the basics. This means understanding the concept of blockchain technology, getting familiar with hashing algorithms like SHA-256, and grasping the pivotal role miners play in fortifying the network. Then comes the gear. Mining Bitcoin isn't something you do on your regular computer. It demands specialized hardware known as application-specific integrated circuits, or ASICs, which are built specifically for mining. Notable brands include Bitmain, MicroBT, and Canaan, whose machines offer high hashing power, a key ingredient for successful mining. Mining solo, while possible, is akin to looking for a needle in a haystack. So most miners team up in mining pools, combining their computational power to boost their chances of earning rewards. F2 pool, slush pool, and ant pool are some of the popular options. Next on the docket is installing mining software. This software is the bridge between your hardware and the mining pool controlling the mining process. CG Miner and BFG Miner are a couple of fan favorites. Before you kickstart the mining process, you'll need a Bitcoin wallet to receive your well-earned rewards. It's critical to have a secure wallet and keep those private keys safe. Hardware wallets or secure software wallets like Electrum and Ledger Live are worthy choices. Once everything is set up and ready, it's time to start mining. Follow the setup instructions provided by your mining software, input the pool's address, your wallet address, and other relevant settings, and fire up the mining software. But the job doesn't end there. It's crucial to keep a close eye on your mining operation, ensuring it's running smoothly. Monitor the hardware's temperature and performance. Overheating can severely damage your equipment. When your mining pool successfully mines a block, the rewards come rolling in. You'll receive your share of the rewards in Bitcoins sent directly to your Bitcoin wallet. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Mining can be a real energy guzzler, so you have to account for your electricity costs. In some regions, the cost of electricity can eclipse the mining rewards, making it a losing proposition. Lastly, stay in the loop. The cryptocurrency mining landscape is always shifting, so it's important to keep abreast of changes in technology, regulations, and the overall Bitcoin ecosystem. Remember, Bitcoin mining has become a fiercely competitive arena, and it may not be profitable for everyone, especially with the rising difficulty and energy costs. So take the time to do your homework and consider the economic feasibility of mining in your specific situation.